Good morning. I'm Jeff Kaufman with BendixKing. In 2014, at the AEA convention in Knoxville, we introduced the revolutionary AeroWave 100 connectivity solution. This year, we are introducing two new low-cost certified Wi-Fi routers and a high-quality voice channel and associated add-on voice plans. We also recently introduced an active low-gain antenna system that, combined with our routers and a new STC, makes installing and configuring the AeroWave system an easy process. In addition, we are running a promotion on the product through June of this year, June 1st. Our new certified routers are available in data only. I'm sorry, I missed the slide there. Our new certified routers are available in data only and ambi voice, high-quality voice configurations. They allow up to 12 devices, wireless devices, to connect simultaneously and have discrete inputs that allow disabling both the router and the Wi-Fi functionality. There's a simple web-based GUI for status and configuration. Our new voice plans provide crew and passengers a high quality of service, voice capability. We support up to 3 extensions, phone extensions in the aircraft, and we work with generic SIP apps like the LinPhone application, as well as True North handsets that are listed. Our voice plans are an add-on voice plan to our normal $40 an hour plan for data, and the voice plans are $1.46 a minute. Our active low-GAN antenna is an Emersat Class 15 based antenna subsystem that allows internet access to general aviation, turboprop, and light jets that up to this point have only been available in larger business class jets. AeroWave is a swift broadband connectivity-based system providing worldwide coverage from the ground on up at rates of 104 kilobits per second using our standard $40 an hour plan, and rates up to 200 kilobits per second with standard SB200 plans. The antenna is 1.9 inches tall, 5.6 inches long, and a 4.3 inch wide, is the smallest in the industry and makes it appropriate for smaller airframes. Easier installations are made possible through an integrated GPS in our antenna subsystem that eliminates the need to interface with onboard navigation systems. We also reduce setup times through the associated default configurations in both our system and the new routers. And we have a increased mounting flexibility with the new antenna subsystem on the placement of the antenna. Additionally, the system is about 4 pounds lighter, and we'll shortly have a Part 23 AML STC that will help with installation of both the router and the Wi-Fi portion and the system. We are currently running a $3,000 direct-to-the-end user rebate for systems that are delivered by June 1st. MSRP of the base system is $24,995, and that includes all the installation kits and the RF cables. Data routers, data-only routers are $3,895, and voice routers are $5,895. The AeroWave benefits are include the ability for passengers and crew to stay connected in an increasingly connected world with a simple $40 an hour data plan and add-on voice plans, prepaid voice plans. Thank you. Please come by our booth. We're at booth 234. We also have training this afternoon and the rest of the week. The one this afternoon is at 1 o'clock in the Miami 1 and 2 rooms. Thank you.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 59th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Orlando, Florida, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
Are you stall smart? Ever since Orville and Wilbur took to the skies, pilots have been taught that the more airspeed you have, the better off you are. But over the last 100+ years, we've learned that's not always the case. Take stalls, for example. The common belief is that if you have sufficient airspeed, the aircraft won't stall. The fact is, an airfoil always stalls at the same critical angle of attack in relation to the relative airflow, regardless of airspeed, configuration, or weight. Learn more at aspenavionics.com.
There's a difference between charting a steady course and pushing for the ceiling. And for nearly a century, Hartzell Propellor has been defining that difference. It's in our passion for engineering and research and our dedication to testing the limits of performance. We are built on honor. We are Hartzell Propellor.